so carefully. Let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm rolling up the stairs. Sweet baby, oh. Let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. Keep on hoping. Cake by the ocean. Walk for me, baby.
Hey, what's up, viewers? Welcome to the new video, which is I'm doing my own first reaction video to this YouTube. We're gonna do like a first reaction is to like YTP. We're gonna do like this video called Angry Birds YTP, and I'm doing my own first reaction to that video. So yeah, all right. So now let's get this started.
Following is historically accurate and is a fiction.
Ta-da!
Oh, wow. I mean, wow.
How are you? Oh,
That
I'm
was loud.
horrible. What is that?
Congratulations, sir. Your
Cake.
is here.
Where's my drink?
What drink?
My drink? My diet, Dr. Don't tell me you forgot my drink!
You didn't order any.
How am I supposed to eat this cake without my drink? You call yourself a delivery boy? Well, I ain't buying!
Why would they ever use cake and soda like that?
I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I told you I ain't paying for that! Well, this one's on you!
Oh my gosh. That was funny. Alright, here we go, boy.
This is
Yeah.
glass. This is
Art!
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Walter White, of course. Oh.
Jesse, wake up! Jesse!
Dr. Hunter. Wait.
Tulio. As far as I know,
Jesse!
is the last alpha male of his kind. And recently we found a way to bring me and him together to fuse.
Oh my gosh.
Hi there. Welcome
hello.
to the Infinity Saga. I am Hilda.
Okay.
And you're gonna be my super psychic. I'm a super hero.
Hi, Ray. Hello, Burr.
Oh, there's a lot of birds in this one. We're doing Angry Birds now.
And this is Finger.
Walter.
How are you speaking telepathically anyway?
Walter.
Nice chat, big man.
Tell us your super story. Super bomb.
Okay.
I fear no man, but
When I get
scared.
I,
blow the multiverse up, hence the name.
Excuse me, I am trying to cook, please.
Oh, I'm
What?
sorry, crackhead. I'm trying to escape.
Just call me a cat. For the record, I am not a jewel. I am pet shop. And you
Oh
know
my
what?
gosh.
I people 256 32226
Oh my gosh.
ratio.
This is your destiny. Whatever you do, do not make a sound. I'm Jason from the TOM. That's turkey off the menu. You've just been recruited for an top secret. Out of it, Colonel! You gave me my mission, told me I needed to save all of Turkey. We're going back in black. That's right. No, that's left.
silence!
We're going back in time to the first time to get turkeys on the menu.
Oh, I know I'm not
Angry,
but I used to be.
an angry bird too.
I was eating waffles, delicious, big, delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Now I'm
delicious, huh?
I had no women, all I was two. Then they got a whole crowd to fill my shoe. That's why I poop on people and I blame it on you.
It was a nasty time.
I'm in. I will make you
Turkeys.
Contamination complete.
Well, What is it? You idiot! Just...
Control, we have a Kentucky roast turkey in chamber 47.
Oh,
That is
yeah.
very sauce, Agent.
There's no way I'm going near that thing!
Near that
Reggie,
thing.
this is destiny! My destiny has not pizza!
Oh my gosh. Pizza Plan, huh?
Angry bird.
Greetings from my world. I am a pimp.
What's a pimp?
I don't know what you heard about me. My name is Leonard, but my friends call me.
Excuse me. Have you come to smash all mate or smash mine? But
I gotta get out of here.
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can pick my beak, I pee in my sleep, and once in a while, I'm bilingual too. Happy?
Hey, Jesse.
We gotta get out of here.
What is he doing here?
See? I'm bi too.
What? Wow, nicely done.
I've got you in my sights.
Greetings. I'm Steve.
Now, take us to Turkey.
Destination set.
No! We did it! We went back in time!
If there is a mighty ego, well, how come we don't ever hear him cry?
Maybe we have.
What would a cry sound like? Maybe something like,
It's more like.
oh, I got one.
Sounds.
Kind of imagining it's something more like a.
Now I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more majestic, like,
Oh, it's like running a nursery.
Arnold Schwarzenegger, huh?
If anything happens to me, it's on your head. Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Foreshadowing is a
Whoa.
narrative device.
It's high noon.
I'm dead! I'm dead!
Oh my gosh.
Oh! My name's Lightning McQueen. I'm a Pisces.
I'm Jenny. I'm running for president.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We should attack the fort tonight and get turkeys off them.
We cannot risk the safety of the flock.
You lack the time to...
What? Oh my gosh.
Okay, I need to see you a boss. I need boss.
Nice.
Oh god.
Your wings around the lady. What? She's gonna bite.
We'll see.
And when you feel the rhythm of your heart, it's like sauce. You fly.
Come on, Blue, you can do it!
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Blue, you're flying!
I'm not
blind.
I'm
on top of the world. Hey.
Oh, that's a cool song. I listen to it.
Is the goal. Get to the chopper. Who's next? We need buyers, not stand users. Oh my God! Terrence, I got an idea.
Oh my gosh, that's right.
Do you think you can pull the slingshot back far enough to hit that guy? What? Ready?
What?
Hey guys, let's get cheese. Ready? Fire!
Here we go.
you see what I'm seeing?
Ooh. Here it
Those
comes.
are some angry birds.
Why won't we die?
Blow up the multiverse.
Oh, that's blowing up.
Time to the first Thanksgiving.
Well, that was it for this video, but that was a good video, but that was kind of funny. Yeah, it was funny, but basically. So, alright, so thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you around, you guys. Bye!
Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all